Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming Bluetooth and location permission are active. The app needs both to map signal strength accurately. Once done, move within 10-15 meters of where you think the device is and reduce obstructions so signals aren't blocked. Next, open the app, pick the correct device category, and tap Scan or Locate. This starts a live search. As the scan runs, watch the signal meter and listen for audio cues. These guide you towards stronger reception and narrow the search area. You now follow the signal strength meter to close distance. Higher dBm or a fuller bar means you're getting closer. Make sure to enable any beeping or flashing feature. Audio and visual cues speed up pinpointing by reinforcing the meter. As you move, go slowly and sweep the area in concentric paths. This reduces false positives and accounts for interference. If signal jumps, pause and rotate your body. That often reveals the true direction, because your phone's antenna orientation affects readings. You finish by confirming the peak signal area. Scan pockets under cushions and inside bags. Physical inspection often solves it when proximity is highest. If the app suddenly loses the device, toggle Bluetooth or restart the app and rescan from the last strong signal. You'll often require quickly. Also check the device's battery status or the app's last seen timestamp. A dead battery or old timestamp explains a dropped connection. If nothing works, retrace your steps methodically while keeping the app running.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.